This is Vijay Kedia's portfolio stock. As per the shareholding pattern of this chemical company, as investor, Vijay Kedia holds 10 lakh shares of the counter. This is around 1.44% of the company shares. Company profile. This company started manufacturing pigments way back in 1952 with a few inorganic pigments and has since flourished with a breadth of products that cover classical azo pigments, high performance pigments, effect pigments, and pigment dispersion. The company primarily serves the coatings, plastics, inks, and cosmetic industries. This company is one of the leading global players in the pigment industry with predominant domestic market share of 35%. Company's manufacturing facilities and infrastructure. The company has two manufacturing facilities at Roha and Mahad, Raigad district, Maharashtra. The installed capacity stands at 37,000 MTPA. The Roha facility manufactures azos, HPPS, effect pigments and dispersion, while Mahad facility manufactures blue and green pigments, HPPS and effect pigments. Sudarshan exports to over 85 plus countries with technical teams to support applications. It has 10 sales officers, 50 plus sales members and 60 channel partners. It has offices in North America, Europe, China, Mexico and Japan, with a share of exports rising in the last 3 years from 49% to 51% in FY 2021. The company has 3 National Accreditation Board NABL accredited labs. Last year, it started a laboratory in Germany to be in sync with the global trends. You might have already guessed the name of this company. The company name is Sudarshan Chemical Industries Limited. Recent triggers. Anti-dumping duty on natural mica imposed by the Government of India in August 2021. Augurs well for the company. China plus one policy being adopted by the Western countries augurs well for the company. This chemical company has a market cap of 3,934 crore. Sudarshan Chemical shares are currently quoting 599 rupees. Face value of share 2 rupees. The company's trailing 12 months TTM EPS is 17 rupee 98 pice. The current market price of stock discount the EPS by a reasonable PE multiple of 31.61 times. The early high and low price range of share is 791 rupees and 431 rupees. Current stock price of 599 rupees. This quotes at 5.29 times of book value and 2.3 times of sales. The share has a dividend yield of 1.05%. Operating parameters. The financial parameters of Sudarshan Chemicals are sound. This company has a sound operating profit margin of about 15.8% in FY 2021. Return on equity is good at 17.68%. Return on capital employed is also good at 16.14%. Book value per share is 111 rupee 31 pice. Concerns. High inventory requirements due to maintenance of multiple SKUs of pigments over 4,000 plus multiple distribution centers of company overseas and within India. Adversely impact its working capital requirements. There has been sharp increase in the prices of intermediates used in various pigment chemistries. Apart from raw material cost increase, there has been an upsurge in energy and logistic prices. Large CAPEX is going to weigh on the debt structure of the company, where debt is going to increase from 500 crore to 700 crore from FY 2021 to FY 2023E. Financials. Sudarshan Chemicals profit and loss account in crores. Peer comparison with peer companies. Investment rationale. Increased exports footprint, new additions to product lines, yellow pigments, CAPEX nearing completion. Plants getting back to normalcy post second wave of COVID and lower debt levels provide a stable future outlook. Invest in Sudarshan Chemical Industries Limited for long-term appreciation and for short-term gains. HDFC Securities in its research report of September 2021 has recommended that investors can buy the stock at CMP of 568 rupees for base case target of 734 rupees and bull case target price of 783 rupees over the next 2 quarters. Give a like.